Alright, I'm going to show you how to add some videos to your website, something that you may or may not want to do at some point, YouTube videos specifically. So first I'm going to add a page here. I'll click on pages and add. Once again, it's going to be a standard page. I'm going to add lessons, short header. You can make that whatever you want. Hit save. And if I don't like the order of this, I can grab this and I can move this and change it. I want this to be right after Weeby Home. And then I'm going to change this to lessons. And then I'm going to add another page underneath of this called Lesson 1. Probably change that name later, but right now this is just so I can keep track of what Lesson 1 is. Lesson 1 is going to be a subpage of lessons. And then I am going to build. I'm going to add a video from the YouTubes. If you come over here, there's a little bar here you can left click and drag so you can see more options. I'm going to bring the YouTube video over. And then this comes up, you click any place on here and it's going to ask you what is the YouTube video URL. So I already have the video queued up in another tab. So once I'm in here, if I click on the share button, this is the video that I want to put on. Down here is the URL. I click in there, Control C copies, or you can right click and copy. Come back to the website where it says YouTube video URL, I left click in there, Control V, or right click and paste, and then click out of that box. So now this is the first video. I probably want to change the headline then to this number 1, create a Weeby account. I click in here, this is lesson 1, create a Weeby account. Now at this point, if I click on lesson 1, if I hover over it, I get lesson 1. I want that to actually say what the first lesson is. So to change it, I go back to pages. It's funny how Weeby thinks that Weebly is misspelled. Their own word, it doesn't even exist in their own dictionary. It's ridiculous. Click on lesson 1 here, and then I can change the page name. I want this to be 1, create a Weeby account. So now, if I click back, lesson 1 is create a Weeby account. Done. A student could click on this and they could watch the video, which is what you have already done. So let me add another page to this. Let me add the second one, like a standard page, number 2. I don't remember what this is going to be called, so I'll change that later. Short header, hit save. Bring it up here and indent it. That way it's going to be lesson 1, lesson 2. Go here and find this. I have it all queued up. I click on share. Come down here and hit Control C and it copies it. Come back here. Click on build. Drag over the old YouTube. Wait till it loads, click on it, click in the YouTube video URL, Control V, paste, click out of it. There it is. It has the title here, which tells me this page is I want it to be called to choose a Weeby theme. I also want this up here to say choose a Weeby theme. So I click on pages, click on the number 2, change it to choose a Weeby theme. And look how pretty that is. Lesson. I can go to lesson 1. I can go to lesson 2. How you like those apples?